If you are wondering if we have fast charging on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is yes. We do have an option that is called Extreme Charging Mode, which you can actually find here in the Quick Settings panel or in the Control Center. And you need to go to this pen, you need to tap on it here to edit the Control Center, and you need to add Extreme Charging. So as you can see here in Utilities, we can find it. We can just add it to the list. Let me actually try to make it slightly wider. There we go. And let's go back. And now we should be able to use it in order to, of course, increase the charging speed. However, you cannot really do that. You cannot really use this option with any charger. So you need to actually have a genuine Google charger to be able to use this extreme charging mode. And you probably want to use the Google's 45 watts USB-C charger to actually make sure that it works. Unless they have a 30 watts USB charger, then in that case that is going to be enough, although I'm not sure if they actually have a 30 watts in store. So probably 45 is going to be the choice for you. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.